Beck and Masten 1960 proudly presents this beautiful 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. It is an LS, it is blue, and it features custom wheels, Nerf bars, steering wheel controls, a CD player, dual AC controls, a super nice cloth interior, the carpet is real clean as well. This vehicle is super nice, super clean, and ready for you to take it home today. Come take a look at it today and see our great selection of low mileage, extremely clean vehicles at Beck and Masten 1960. We are located on 1960 between 290 and Jones Road. Give us a call today. We are Beck and Masten 1960.